Hey guys, Destiny here from Universal Gifts. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your white Air Forces into epic brown custom cartoon sneakers. Let's get started. These turned out so cool. And to be honest, the biggest challenge that we had was actually making these black straight lines. Because if you really put the effort and time in, you can see that there's an optimum illusion in this whole sneaker. Nee. Ja, laat maar. Ja, ik weet. Ja! Ja!
Lager houden.
Zo?
Ja, en ietsje naar voren. Ja.
Zo?
Naar beneden.
Make sure that you put the time and effort in to create those really straight back lines. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and let us know in the comments how your cartoon sneakers turned out. I'll see you in the next video.